So once we've got that laid out, we know the rules of the game, samurai battle to the death, swords, shields, and slow motion. I have everybody sheath your shields, give your samurai battle cry. Oh! And then let's see what beginners might do if they do a slow motion samurai battle to the death. Oh! Shink! Oh! Shink! Oh. Okay, so you can see real quick what do beginners do? They cheat. They cheat because they want to win and they want to live. So usually the first thing I tell them is, I've got great news for everybody. You're still alive. That was pretend. Oftentimes the instincts that serve us well in the real world don't serve us that well in the improv world. I do remind students that if you are attacked by a samurai swordsman in the real world, please run. I don't want any lawsuits from this. Please get away as soon as and fast as you can. But if you're doing it in the pretend world, you want to stay committed to the activity and put yourself at risk. So usually I'll have them play a second round, which we're going to do in a second, and I want them to really focus on staying the same speed no matter what. Even if they're about to get nailed, they're just going to let it happen. Even if they're about to swing and miss, they're going to stay committed to that movement. And instead of trying to win, they're going to enjoy losing, because the chances are, if it's every man for himself, most people are going to lose the game. So Shannon and I are going to have a new battle. This time we're going to really commit to our slow motion and be good sports. Unsheath your swords. Yes! So as you can see, that's a much more fun thing to watch when people are really committed to the activity and not necessarily to their own success or failure. And we have these clear winners or losers. So we really like to play games with people that are committed to the games and not so worried about their own personal success. So this is a great exercise to work on being willing to give up control, being willing to lose, and being willing to share. It's called Slow Motion Samurai.